Hey guys, so we're here at Worthington State Forest testing out the new kitchen setup. Definitely gonna be a more chill weekend, but it should be fun. So let's get this thing started. Cheers. This video is going to be a little bit different from my usual format, guys. I just want to let you know that I recently quit my day job. It's definitely been a long time coming, and as of October 1st, I'm no longer an employee, but now I'm a full-time YouTuber and small business owner. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the details of the 11 years of my career as a mechanical engineer. Instead, I'm going to ask you, have you ever thought of creating something great and doing something incredible with your life? Most men lead lives of quiet desperation and go to their graves with a song still in them. That's a quote by Henry David Thoreau. I've spent 11 years playing it safe with a traditional day job, and it took me that long to also figure out that it was not for me anymore. I started out as a college graduate with $100,000 of student debt and was able to move up in the rankings of my job in the Department of the Navy. With this job, I paid off all of my student loans and was also able to be a part-time landlord and content creator. All this I accomplished all on my own. Now I do wonder, I've accomplished a lot being spread out, but how much more can I accomplish if I focus on one thing? So I've sold the investment property and I quit my day job. Now I'm all in on this YouTube and online business gig. Although currently I really don't make enough off of YouTube to live off of. And basically, I'm living off of savings until I completely figure this out. I do believe that if I focus all of my energy on this, I will make this dream a reality. So here we got some Japanese whiskey, everybody.
Oh.
And this is to...
It smells so strong.
Yeah, it's kind of strong. This is to my retirement. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, baby. Be willing to go all out in pursuit of your dream. Ultimately, it will pay off. You are more powerful than you think you are. This is a quote from Les Brown. I don't want to look back when I'm 50 and regret not knowing that I could have accomplished more. I'm 34 now. I still have some of my youth and energy. So this is me going all out in pursuit of my dreams and having faith that eventually it will pay off. Look at that view, guys. We got the Delaware River and a nice fire going on over dinner. Cheers, baby. So lots of lessons learned with the new storage system. It worked out very well for the most part, but little things here and there like permanent storage for paper towels, and there's a few ideas to throw around, but the rest is really just like icing on the cake. The whole indoor and outdoor kitchen setup has worked out really well. I want to thank all of you guys for the support, especially to those who have been subscribed since I started this channel. Thank you to the teams that I've worked with in the Department of the Navy. Thank you to my friends and family. And thank you to my girlfriend for all of the love and support. Stand by because you will be seeing much bigger and much better content. Thanks for watching.